Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back to EduQuiz. So today we are going to tackle the section of exercises under the mole concept. So our first exercise involves or goes thus: an organic compound contains 40% carbon, 12%, 40% calcium, 12% carbon, and 38% oxygen. The gram of the compound is 100. They say determine the empirical formula of a compound. Next, determine the molecular formula of a compound. So the question goes in two sections. A is determine the empirical formula, that's EF. So EF stands for empirical formula. Then MF stands for molecular formula. So the compound is made up of calcium, carbon, and oxygen. That is carbon, calcium, carbon, and oxygen. So in the course of this exercise, we are going to make use of three data. So the data, we have the one of calcium, which is 40, carbon, which is 12, oxygen, which is 16. So when you have when you have such exercise in front of you, the first thing to do is identify the element found in the compound. So when you have identified the element found in the compound, when you go forward to look for their percentages. So that of calcium is 40%, that of carbon is 12%, and that of oxygen is 38%. In our next video, we're going to see how we can clearly solve the exercise. That is A, B. So A stands for what? The empirical formula, and B stands for the molecular formula. So thank you for watching, and follow more on EduQuiz for the solution of exercise 1.